A video of a young girl named Mumal playing jaw-dropping cricketing shots like Surya Kumar Yadav has taken the internet by storm. The girl hails from Barmer of Rajasthan and appears to be a passionate cricket fan. In the video that has caught everyone's attention, she can be seen playing some mind-boggling strokes, and so many people from the cricketing fraternity and from other walks of life have also shared the video on social media platforms. Mumal Meher was identified as a 15-year-old from Kansar village of Barmer of Rajasthan. She is an 8th class student at a government higher secondary school. Mumal is a tremendous bowler with batting skills as well. She has played cricket at the district level. Abdul Razak, the brother of Mumal Meher, said. It was noted that the girl's father is a farmer and the economic status of family doesn't support her being sent to a coaching academy. One of India's greatest cricketing legends, Sachin Tendulkar, also shared the video by taking to his Twitter account and tweeted, "Kal hi to action hua aur aaj match bhi shuru. Kya baat hai? Really enjoyed your batting." The chairperson of Delhi Commission for Women, Swati Maliwal, also shared the video by taking to Twitter and requested the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot, to provide her the right platform so that she could grow up to don India's jersey in the future. Women's Premier League is slated to be played from 4th March to March 26th. And all 5 teams are stacked up with some amazing talent and highly experienced players. Smriti Mandhana turned out to be the most expensive player at the auction and was backed by Royal Challengers Bangalore for 3.40 crore rupees.